Hi guys, Chris here with Super Savvy Travelers. Hey, today's the day we go down to the Notaio in Belvedere Marittimo and sign on the dotted line for our cute little olive mill, which took 3 years. Apparently, foreigners are not allowed to donate money or Ciao Nelson! Or property to municipalities, so we had to set up a nonprofit, and it took 3 years, but today's the day. So I'm going to video us doing the getting the keys and everything else. Here's Nelson. Oops.
Oh, sorry.
Oh, no, come over here.
Take.
Here's Nelson.
Hello.
He's going to translate for us, and we're going to have a lot of fun. So I'll see you after the signing, and I'll show you the keys, and we're going to get started. Thanks, guys. Hi, guys. Chris here with Super Savvy Travelers. Okay, so this is the big wah moment. After all that excitement this morning, and after driving to Belvedere Marittimo in the dumping rain, seems like it's always dumping rain when I drive out there, and meeting with the Notaio, he was uncomfortable doing the act unless we had everything translated into English. So we're getting everything translated into English, and then there's 3 owners, so we're trying to get them lined up, and me lined up, and Antonello lined up, because we're all members of the association, and getting us all into one office at one time is quite a challenge. It's like herding cats. So, in short, we did not sign the act today. However, the money's been paid. I'm sure if we wanted the keys, we could get them. We could start working on the project, but wah. I did not celebrate with a cornetto and a coffee just yet, but we will. And I'll keep you guys updated. We are going to move forward with the project in any case. So, there you go. That's the update on our little olive mill saga, and I'll keep you updated even more later on down the line. See you soon.